You say you pinch, leave an inch and roll?
Yes.
How much of a condom is an inch?
In terms of percentage, I'm not sure. How much is that?
Okay, do you mind doing our...
Oh, Lord have mercy.
We do a demo?
Oh, you mean it don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean it don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean it don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean it don't tell a friend them about Yaadman, Etan?
Alright, so people say, I don't know, say Yaadman, Etan, and I am here at Teen Hub, Jamaica. Alright, we're in halfway tree, and one of the things that we're doing today, this is separate and apart from the mental health docu-series or documentary that I'm doing. Alright, I am going to be doing an STD test on camera.
What are you talking about, man?
Results, everything. I'm doing this on camera, alright? I grew up, my mother worked in the Ministry of Health, and no man, you can't come in. I was just saying how I grew up, and my mother worked in the Ministry of Health, and I knew what condoms were before I knew what sex was, right? So I always wanted to do a test because I know that many people are very apprehensive to find out them status, and I have never done this. Someone want to do it now? Alright.
Should come in.
Alright, cool.
Come.
Okay. You know, so I never expect to do this. I never expect to do this today at all. But yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'm gonna tell them my favorite video. And when you feed the white people jerk chicken.
Yes, my dear. Talk to me.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Alright, so my name is Sophia.
Yes, Sophia.
Employed with Southeast Regional Health Authority, Sarah. So today we're doing HIV and syphilis testing.
Okay.
When was your last test?
I never had a
You have
test.
never been tested
I've never been tested before.
Okay, so how much do you know about HIV?
My mother used to work in the Ministry of Health. I knew what condoms were before I knew what sex was.
Okay.
The human immunodeficiency virus.
Yes.
Yes, I'm aware that it basically just destroys your immune system.
Yes, it does.
Right.
And it is the virus that causes AIDS if it goes untreated.
Yes.
Alright. So, how many partners do you have currently in the last 6 months? Have you had unprotected sex?
No.
In the last?
No.
So you're always using a condom?
Yes.
Do you know how to use a condom correctly?
Yes. Pinch, leave an inch and roll.
What's the inch of a condom?
The use of a condom?
Inch of a condom, yeah.
I'm sorry, what?
The inch, you say you pinch, leave an inch and roll?
Yes.
How much of a condom is an inch?
In terms of percentage, I'm not sure. How much is that?
Okay, do you mind doing our...
Oh, Lord have mercy.
To do a demo?
Yo, Mark! Yo!
So you show me what the inch of it that you use?
Alright, sure.
Alright, so in the meantime first,
yes.
I'm going to do the test. So prick out the finger to get the blood in this capillary tube.
Okay.
Put it on the test kit. So I'm going to prick your finger.
Okay.
Don't pull away.
Okay.
And don't close your eyes, please. Always ensure that you look. Whenever somebody's going to puncture your skin with anything.
Okay.
Ensure that it's not used.
Yes.
Okay? Ooh, sorry. Could you press on it with the cotton for me, please? Thank you. Alright, so while your results are developing, could you show me
Oh, Lord.
how you put on a condom? Please, may I have the cup?
So here you go.
Here you go.
Alright.
So remember you said the way to put on a condom.
Yo, girl is in Paris, I got destroy me, you know. Yo, hold this. Record this, please. Record this, please. The girl is in Paris is going to destroy me for that one. Yeah, so they're testing my ability to put on a condom, right? Girl is in Paris, no problem, please. Alright, so what I do, I find the right side, right? Because only this side roll down, right? So I will pinch it off. Pinch it off. Having a performance anxiety. Pinch it off. I will roll down, say like an inch, like so. And then, yeah.
joke this to blood clot. Mark! Yo!
And that is how I deal with myself.
Alright, and when you finish using the condom, how do we dispose of it?
So how I dispose of it, I will roll it from the base. Right? Then I would have it like that, because the fluids will be in the inch, which is why would leave the inch in the first place. You don't flush it. I know people flush it, you don't flush it. Right? And then sometimes when I do the crosses girl, I make sure I tie a knot into it to make sure she can't get it out of the she can't get it yet. So,
Them gal are wicked, them wicked, them wicked.
I throw it in the trash, or I would wrap it in like toilet paper or whatever before I dispose of it.
Where do you dispose of it?
In the garbage.
In the garbage?
In the trash.
Okay.
Yes, not flush it.
Why you don't flush?
Because it can mess up the plumbing.
Okay.
Yes.
So, you did well.
Thank you.
So, for us, this is a condom. A condom is 5 years.
Yes.
Right? So you check first, you check for expiry date.
Ah, yes.
You should not travel around with the condom in your pocket, wallet or anything.
What you mean?
Oh,
Right?
okay.
No, you only walk with a condom when you're going to use it.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
It also has 4 edges.
Yes.
4 which is called a rip edge.
Yes.
Bear in mind, if you're the kind of person who plays with the vagina before having sex,
Yes.
so when you play with the vagina,
Yes.
you'll get vaginal fluid on your hand.
Yes.
Bear in mind also that females have something that is called yeast bacteria, right?
Yes.
For instance, she's having bacteria right now. You play with the vagina, you get vaginal fluid on your hand.
Yes.
What you did just now, you'd have gotten yourself infected with that.
Oh.
Right, so you push the condom aside with this thumb and you tear along the edge. Don't use anything sharp.
Yes.
When you're going to take the condom out of the wrapper, do not push your finger in there. Remember, vaginal fluid on your hand.
Yes.
So you push it out and you hold it by the rim.
Oh. Okay.
What you did, you use your finger to find the right side different from the wrong side. We don't do that. We blow in it like this. Right? So
Yes.
this is the wrong side. It looks like a nipple.
Yes.
And the right side is folded, deep folded.
Yes.
Okay, you use your contaminated hand, your dirty hand, to hold it. So you pinch it and you roll twice. 1,
Yes.
2. You also twist
Yes.
so there's no air trap in it. And you put it onto a fully erected penis,
Yes.
not a semi-erected one. Alright?
Yes.
And you roll it down. The reason for leaving so much at the end is for collect fluid and also for free flow.
Yes.
If you have a foreskin on your penis, you should roll it back before you put on the condom. If you put the condom over the foreskin of the penis will not breathe, so you feel as if the condom is squeezing you, it's stifling.
Well,
That's because, right, that is because you were circumcised.
Yes.
Right, so you ensure that you roll it back or you fly it back and put on the condom. This also helps to stimulate the woman.
Yeah. Oh.
Right?
Okay.
Yes. Because it flaps, right? Against the, right.
The more you know.
So when you're finished with the condom, you hold the base of the penis. Always hold it.
Yes.
And you roll.
Ah.
If you don't hold the base,
Run down.
right, it don't mess up the place, right?
Right.
And you tie. If you're a good partner, you will do something that is called a self-examination. So you have a piece of tissue or something close by when you finish using the condom. Whatever is on the outside of the condom comes from who?
Her.
Right, and what's on the inside. So what's on the outside should never be discolored, such as brownish, yellowish,
Yes.
or grainy.
Yes.
Right. Your fluid also should not have any discoloration. Anything like that, somebody needs to go to the doctor.
Okay.
And you put it, as you say, in a piece of paper. And you wrap it up, tie it up, and throw it in the bin away from dogs. You know, when you're the dog around past and you're picking them up.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So you dispose of it properly.
Okay.
So remember, never travel with the condom.
Right.
And always,
Unless you want to keep.
and no blow in it,
Blow in.
find the right turnaround.
Okay.
And always remember, before sex, it's good to play with the woman.
Yes.
Has to get her
Aroused.
and also for her to get moisture down there.
Right.
Because the more moisture she have down there, the more pleasure you get.
Yes.
As we would say, the wetter the better.
Yeah.
Right, slippery when wet.
Yes.
Okay, thanks. So, I'm going to give you the results.
Alright.
So you will have to leave the room and then you turn that on.
Alright, I'll turn it off.
Yeah.
We want to capture everything. We want to capture everything. But if it go bad still, either way, I think we play it off.
No, what we're talking about.
No, I really do.
You really do?
I really do.
Okay.
Says that's fine? Can keep it?
I mean, I feel something there, you know, just give the honest.
I mean, they don't, I'm fine with this. No? Okay, alright.
So no.
Alright, we're good. So I'll tell you guys after the fact. Alright.
I love video, so
Alright, so we just get because she never wanted me to get the results in the moment on camera, but we can show you, see? In the case of this HIV testing, high negative. Is me? And in the case
that was a copy that your doctor?
And in the case of syphilis testing, high also negative.
And where is this though?
Eh?
Where you get it?
Right here in Team Hub. Yo, I appreciate you guys really and truly.
And how much money you paid?
Oh, and it's free. Shall give me boots. Is it me? Alright, see it there? Come on, know some of the short in the video, it never did too clear, but see the HIV test confirmed negative. Alright, see the next one here, see the next one. Syphilis, negative. Yo, people that hear me and say don't know, say a Yaadman Etan, and thank you guys so very much for watching this video. Alright, we just want to show you what it was like to get an STD test in Jamaica, and the fact is it was free. There was no charge associated with it. Alright, but please, I beg you no, don't show you this embarrassness. Please don't call Mark, please. That's how I want to go on this video, they kind of slack still. But as me I say, for educational purposes, to show the people them what it is like. Don't be ashamed and go out and check out, make out, sort out, no on status. Alright? So people that don't know say a Yaadman. Gents, I know you only have your one woman. Is it saying? So share this video with your one woman. Ladies, we know when I have a car man and a side man, on a phone man and a credit man, but look at you only have one yard man. Alright, so please share this video with all your man them. People that make sure say when you know the status, make sure say you know the status of the people you mess with. Alright. Can't be too messy out in these streets. We're out.